Good evening, sir. This is my explanation about the effects of bilging and permeability and stability of the ship. Um, Bilging and permeability. Bilging and permeability are important concepts in ship stability. They explain what happens when a compartment of a ship is damaged and flooded with water. Understanding this concept helps officer and crew maintain the safety and stability of the ship. First, what is bilging? Bilging happens when the outer shells or hull of a ship is damaged, causing seawater to enter a compartment such as cargo hold, ballast tank, or engine room. Causes of bilging. First, collision with another ship, grounding, hull cracks or damage, heavy weather accident. Effect of bilging instability. When water enters the compartment, first, the ship becomes heavier, drop increases, ship sinks deeper in water. Stability decreases, the ship may less in or trim. Free surface effects occurs, reducing stability further. And the last is if flooding becomes severe, the ship capsize or sink. Simple explanation. Example: if the port side is compartment of floods, first the ship will lean towards the port side. Second, the center of the gravity changes. And the last is the ship becomes less stable. And second, what is permeability? Permeability is the percentage of empty space inside a compartment that can be filled with water. Thermal viability values. Formula. Machinery space 85%. Cargo hold 60% to 90%. Passenger space is 95%. And the last is double bottom tanks 95%. Effects of permeability on stability. Higher permeability. More water enters the compartment. Greater loss of buoyancy. And third is stability decrease faster. And the last is higher risk of sinking. And low permeability. Less water can enter. And second is smaller effects on stability. And the last is ship remains safer. Relationship between bilging and permeability. Bilging allows water to enter the ship, and permeability determines how much water enters the compartment. And third is together they affect buoyancy and stability. Important effects. First, loss of buoyancy. Second, increase in displacement. Third, less of trim of the ship. And fourth, reduction of meter-centric height. In short, GM. 5. Danger of capsizing in flooding is uncontrolled. And conclusion. Bilging and permeability greatly affects the stability and safety of the ships. Bilging causes flooding, while permeability determines the amount of water that can enter a compartment. Proper watertight subdivision and damage control are important to prevent sinking and maintain ship instability. That's all. Thank you.